if you want to enable text message read aloud feature on your Android, so here let's open up our Play Store, find our search tab, and now we gotta search for Android Accessibility Suite from Google. So make sure that it is from Google. Now press install and give it a couple moments to be installed. Alright, after that we can open up our settings. Let's find our accessibility tab. Here it is. In our accessibility tab, let's find installed apps. So here is your installed app. Right, now let's add up an accessibility menu shortcut. After you did it, also select your select the speech shortcut and enable it as well. Now press allow, press got it, right? And now we can open basically everything, right? So let's open up our messages app, for example. Let's find our message right here and let's press on it. Right, so to start your talkback, first of all enable your volume, of course, and now you gotta press at this play button. Right, so as you see, it's reading the messages. You can stop it all the time. You can adjust it, so like you can enable read on the background, read text on images, and so on and so forth. You can also change the voice model if you want to. To stop this option completely, simply press on this red button and it will be stopped. Also, you can use Google Assistant to read your notifications, so make sure that you have it set up. Now let's say, hey Google, read the last notification I received. So sometimes it may not work, so it may work in some notifications and may not work in some notifications, but basically it works like this. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.